and in a vertical position they move the spindle to the right direction using only their fingers. No? Here they are expert spinners because they learn very young all the ancestral techniques about the weaving techniques, weaving process. Why? Because many years ago, I think 15 or 20 years ago, our ancestral Inca techniques and also our cultural identity was losing because modern clothes from different countries was coming and also modern technologies. But now we are still preserving and conserving, and also we are teaching the youngest. And let me introduce my mom. Her name is Marcelina, 92 years old. She's the founder of this organization. Yeah, she's our teacher. Now she's still weaving. Okay.
Some video you
Okay, holding from this yarn. Are you ready? You have to you have to introduce the yarn into the pot like a 3/4 until here, not all the way. Yeah, 3/4, and you have to mix with this spoon, please. 3/4. Okay, mix right and left, right and left. Cooking spaghetti. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, and 3, pull up. Show to them, please. Look at, those are the original colors without any mordant, no fixers, yeah? Okay, now to set the colors, we use as a mordant minerals. For example, for red, I'm gonna add the salt, the natural salt from salt mine. For green, she's gonna add the volcanic stones we call colpa in Quechua, the alum. Okay, now halfway, not here, halfway. Red and green, please, halfway, and the yellow all the way, please. Yeah,
all the way, all the way to the top.
Okay.
All the way to the top.
Okay. Fixing the color. Look at how it's changing. Oh, rainy day.
Rainy.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Pull up.
Whoa.
Look at, yeah.
Wow.
Look at the green.
Wow.
Look at the changing the orange, yeah. To get
No, I can't say I like yours.
to get same colors, for example, we need more time to boil, and depend how much mineral or how much cochinilla we have. From this manure we can get approximately 15 to 18 different shades of red color, and our color is unique. We can get same colors again. It was fantastic. Thank you so much. All the time. Yeah. They are sitting facing. What they are doing? They are crossing the yarn. Look at. They are doing like a number A4. Yeah. Why? In order to get 2 faces, reversible the textile. The idea is to get same textile. Look at. 2 faces. Yeah. In order to get 2 faces, reversible the textile. The idea is to get same textile. Look at 2 faces. Yeah. And very important for them, they use this master yarn to tie, no? Each by each, thread by thread. No? To put the color, they put according to their feeling. When they feel happy, no? They put happy colors. Sometimes they put dark colors, no? Rainy day, dark colors. Okay. For example, to do until this part, we take approximately 2 or 3 hours. Yeah. Okay, sorry. The weavers are doing. The weavers are doing different steps, different patterns. Yeah. What she's doing here? Yeah. She's edging. Look at. She is doing the eye border, yeah, eye border around the table runner, yeah, finishing the work. She is using the pick-up technique. Friend, this is our cultural life that we are still preserving and conserving. Thank you so much for your visit. Thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for my English. Huh?
No, you did great.